Hi, I'm Edward Stinga from VideoPlasty.com, and in this video, I'll show you the best websites for sound effects. Basically, royalty-free audio files that you can use in your creative projects to bring them to life. This list will have options for all needs and budgets, from the most high-end professional sound effects used in cinema, to platforms with unlimited downloads, sites with very affordable rates, and even free options. In no particular order, let's get straight to it. For a professional platform used by sound designers from Hollywood films, check out ProSoundEffects.com. Powering the world's biggest brands, Pro Sound Effects offers some of the best sound effects libraries money can buy. Its strength lies in the beautifully created packs built around the most popular categories, giving you a lot of different options and flexibility in your sound design. Pricing per pack is a little bit on the high end compared to other platforms, but that's normal given that those are some of the most professional sounds you'll find. You can also download and use just a specific individual sound, with prices usually going for around $5. FreeSFX.co.uk is a great library of free sound effects, a concept and site built by Alan McKinney of McKinney Sound. He made contact with many professional sound and music companies and individuals around the world to ask for free contributions to the site so that the sounds could be made available to audio enthusiasts and production companies alike. Everyone who has contributed to the site has agreed to the freesfx.co.uk license agreement and philosophy. These sounds are available for anyone to use in their productions for free. The library contains over 4,500 individual sound effect files that are very well organized in many different categories, so you can easily find what you're looking for. All sounds are free to use and require you to credit the website. We don't take any sponsors on this YouTube channel, so instead of an annoying ad break of a random unrelated product in the middle of the video, I like to insert a contextual plug and show you our own boutique stock platform as a bonus. At VideoPlasty.com, we saw a gap in the market for professional animation assets and decided to do something about it. That makes VideoPlasty the only stock platform in the world where you can find exclusive stock animation videos and stock GIF images for your creative project. Those are pre-animated elements with a transparent background that are ready to use in your project with drag and drop simplicity. We have an impressive collection of items with a diverse set of characters and icons, all created in the same style, so you can easily mix and match to tell your own story. Nothing remotely similar is available on any other stock website, which makes VideoPlasty your go-to resource for stock animation and stock GIF images. Use the code in the description to get 25% off on your first order. Now, back to the rest of the video. AudioJungle.net is one of the many Envato marketplaces for creative assets. It features over 900,000 sound effects to choose from that you can purchase individually, starting at only $1 per file. If you're looking for just one individual sound effect with a simple pricing model, this is the platform for you. EpidemicSound.com took the online content creation world by storm a few years back with their amazing subscription with unlimited downloads of music tracks. Content creators from all platforms loved it, especially the YouTube community. What people might not know though is that in the same music subscription, they also offer unlimited downloads of sound effects. Pricing starts at €9 per month when billed annually. You might know Pixabay.com as one of the most popular websites in the world for free stock photos and stock videos. However, they have recently introduced a new category for free sound effects. It is a little unorganized at the moment, and because anyone can upload to Pixabay, some of the sound effects are sometimes low quality or have poor title and tags. But with a bit of patience, you can definitely find some hidden gems in there. All sound effects are free and can be used in both personal and commercial projects and do not require attribution. Artlist.io is another big player in the all-you-can-download space for royalty-free music tracks that took the YouTube content creators community by storm. Same with EpidemicSound. Everyone might know them for their impressive collection of music, or even from their sister website artgrid.io for stock footage. However, the music subscription includes their diverse sound effects library as well, carefully organized in different categories for easy searching, with subscriptions starting at only $9.99 per month billed annually. SoundStripe.com is yet another popular subscription platform for premium audio content. I personally like it a bit more than Artlist or EpidemicSound, as I feel it's a little bit less known, so the chances of people using the same tracks as me are even lower. Apart from their impressive music, they have a beautiful collection of over 60,000 sound effects, conveniently organized in different categories for easy browsing. Pricing starts at only $9.99 per month when billed annually. Looking at the companies that use soundideas.com, there's no way you won't be impressed. They have taken their 40 years of experience recording virtually every sound known to man and turned them into the world's leading sound libraries, packed with high-definition sounds for any scenario that you can imagine. Sound Ideas collections put the impact into your projects. For example, this recent boxing sound effects pack features 335 royalty-free sound effects, many of which are from the blockbuster motion picture Ali. It's a bit on the high end in terms of pricing compared to other platforms, with this pack selling for $90. But that's actually quite a bargain for professional, world-class sound design. BoomLibrary.com features an impressive collection of clients from Hollywood giants such as Marvel Studios or Dolby, to all the big names in the gaming industry such as Valve, Nintendo, or Blizzard. The Boom Library prides itself on providing high-end, ultimate sound libraries for all media and audio professionals. The products have this specific edge you will not find anywhere else. And getting a bit technical here, every collection comes with a 96 kHz high-definition, huge source library of their original recordings, plus a great variety of pre-designed sound effects ready to use. Again, pricing is not the most affordable for the amateur filmmaker or content creator, but for the professionals out there, these libraries are absolutely worth it. If you'd like to get a taste of what professional audio feels like, there are a few free packs available too. Soundly is a bit of a different option in this list. On one hand, it's a platform where you can access their amazing sound effects in their cloud library, but on the other hand, it also works as a desktop app that you can install. Soundly helps you search, index, and manage your local audio libraries and makes discovering and designing sounds fun, easy, and creative with best-in-class metadata support. Utilizing artificial intelligence, related searches, autocomplete, thesauruses, and curated collections, Soundly helps you find the perfect sound effects that you're looking for from all the libraries you have purchased. I hope you enjoyed our YouTube video with the top websites for royalty-free sound effects. You might also be interested to watch our other video here where we show the top websites for royalty-free stock videos. Or to find out more about other royalty-free stock platforms for video, images, vectors, and more, you can check our playlist here. This was Edward Stunga from VideoPlasty.com, and until next time, stay creative.